There are 5 possibilities in the market. Market can go up, market can remain sideways, market can go down, or two other possibilities are market can wildly go up or market can wildly go down. Any strategy which takes care of at least 4 outcomes out of these 5 outcomes is a great strategy. So today's strategy which I am going to discuss with you is very good, is excellent for 4 outcomes out of these 5 possible outcomes. This is the experienced traders strategy, so see it very carefully till end, and I am 100% sure you will like it. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. Thanks to all of you for joining our WhatsApp communities. You can also join our WhatsApp YouTube community. Link is given in the description. Today's strategy is a version of ratio spread, but we also call it as a Jeep strategy. This strategy is especially good in kinds of market where we are expecting that market is not going to fall in a big way, but market either will remain sideways, little bit of fall, or in any case market is going to rise only. Expectation is 2 to 3% monthly return, but many times it gives us much more than that also. But obviously, like our all other strategies, this strategy also needs a lot of patience. Let me show you the strategy now. I'll straight away go to Opstra and show you the strategy. So this is 1st of December 2025, morning 9:30. First day of the series, we are trying to create the trade. Now, if I see market, it is showing somewhere here. What I'll do, I'll just go to highest open interest of put side. I'll buy one lot of this put 26,000 and I will sell one lot of 25,900 put. So this is the first leg of this trade. Then I'll go down pretty far away, maybe somewhere close to 10 delta. I'll sell 4 lots of this 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will obviously protect it. I'll go 500 points below that, 24,900, and I will buy 4 lots of this. Now see this payoff diagram. This payoff diagram is like a Jeep, and if market goes up anywhere, it is going to give me profit. Profit is if market goes up, it is 5261. This trade requires around 1.8 to 1.9 lakhs, let us say 2 lakhs. So 5261 becomes 2.5%. So in case market goes up or remains here only, definitely I am going to make 2.5%. If in case market goes down, here I can make more profit also. It is showing 12,000 rupees. And in case market crashes below this level, what is the level? 25,358. As of now, it is 26,284, almost 900 to 1000 points lower. If it goes, then we need to do some adjustment to make some money in this trade. Please click on the like button for better reach and visibility. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance for that. Now let us run this trade and see. In case we require adjustment, we'll do an adjustment. In case we get first opportunity to book good profit, maybe 2% profit, I will definitely like to book it, and then we will see what happens if we keep the trade till expiry. So first day, if I see market has gone down, it is giving me around 2000 rupees loss. Next day, again market has gone down, it is giving me around 2% loss, 2.5% loss. But still I am far away from the market. Market is 25,963. I am okay till 25,358. Next day, little bit of improvement in the market. Next day, okay, see my loss has also reduced to only 1631. Now I am making 1600 rupees profit. Market has slightly gone up, 26,140. Now there is a sudden fall in the market. It is definitely a cause of worry, but I can still stay in the trade because it is 25,800. I am still 500 points away. Next day, okay, next day, okay, 1402. So market is market. It will definitely go up, it will definitely go down, and sometimes you see it's a false fall which really scares the trader. But as long as your break-even point is far away, you can sit in the trade. Okay, 2000 rupees, 1886, 4882. So by 19th December, I'm making a decent amount of money, which is almost around 2.5%. This is the first opportunity when I'm making this kind of a profit. I can really book this profit. Next day, if I see just for academic sake, okay, I'm making 5883. This is the profit I should definitely book. Next, 5891. So here, if you see, we have a potential of making around 5200 only, right? And already we are making 5500. So it's better to book this profit. Only thing is, in case market somehow falls in this zone, then definitely I can make more profit. But why to take risk? If I'm getting a good return just 1 week before the expiry, I should definitely take it. And these kind of trades can absorb a decent fall of the market. So when we started, it was around 26 400 300, and it has gone up to 25 800 also. There was a loss, but that time you have to hold on to your positions, and then ultimately it is giving me a profit. Let us say next day, let us go to till expiry. Now it is giving me 6236. Okay, luckily it is coming to that bulge, and it can be very useful. But if it falls from here, we have to be very careful in booking our profit or adjusting the trade. Next. Okay, on last day 30th December, it has come to this. This is the right time definitely to book this profit. So my only request is, don't get impressed by this outcome. You must be knowing the process well. Outcomes can differ from month to month, from market to market. So as a process, what should be our stop loss? As a process, when should I do adjustment? What should my adjustment be? We will definitely talk about this in the second part of this video. We are conducting an iron butterfly workshop on 26th of April. We will be talking about how to create the trade, what kind of trade we should be creating, then how to adjust the trade, and then after creating the framework, we will be backtesting it for 12 continuous months. That will give us an edge that, okay, we know the theory, we also know the practical usage of the framework also. If you wish to enroll, please contact the numbers given on the screen. Our silver members qualify for 10% discount, and all our iron condor participants will get 25% discount. You can still become our silver member and enjoy videos on deeper topics about options trading. The tools and techniques shared with silver member videos can be really helpful, especially in case of bad markets. I am leaving you with another very interesting option trading strategy video. You will definitely like it. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it so far. See you in the next video. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.